Look at the balance and look at this. If I click here, look at it. It's just started. Look at it. From $10, I'm already on 100 and something USD. This is how fast my robot is. And it's coming out the next year, 2025. Yeah, this is my last trades for 2024, guys. Using Alpha V2.0. This robot is coming out the next year. This is the fastest robot ever. It's able to open even up to 10,000 trades in just a minute. It's fast, guys. Look at it. Just started with a $10 trading account and it's still killing V75, as you can see. This robot is the best, guys. It's the best. Yeah, it's not yet released. It's coming on the 3rd of January 2025. Yeah, look how much. When it reaches $1,000, I'm closing. Just wanted to show you how fast this robot is in less than a minute. From $10 into 1,000 USD, I can say.